Hi, today and this week we're going to talk about a character. A character is a long word and it means a person, animal, or a creature that's in a story. So when we talk about a character, we can talk about any of these people who are in a story, or any of these animals, or any of these creatures. Now, what's important to remember about a character is that they have to have a significant part in the story. Let me show you some examples. In this book called Dragons Eat Noodles on Tuesdays, I can see a character on the front of the book. Now, when I open up through the pages, I can see that character all the way through the story, and I can see other characters as well. They are usually on most of the pages. But look at this page. I noticed that he's a character in the story, but his bicycle is not a character in the story. The bicycle is just something that's in the story. Or let's take another look. Look, there he is again. But his outfit is not a character. He's a character, but what he's wearing is not a character. Or how about this? She's a character in the story, she's saying something, but these bushes are not a character in the story. Characters have a big part in the story, and they're usually the ones who are doing the talking, and they're the ones who the story is about. A character is a person, animal, or creature that's in the story and that the story is about. Let's keep learning about characters this week.